everybody, and welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fold an Origami Fox. So, you're going to need one square piece of origami paper. So, we're going to start by folding your model in half, folding one corner to the opposite corner, just like that. And I'm going to crease well. Then you're going to fold this corner to this corner, creating another triangle. Next, you're going to fold this corner up to your top corner, just like that. Okay, now you're going to turn your model over and fold this corner to your top corner. Just like that. Now, you're going to fold this edge of your model over to about here. Just the top layer to about there. And then you'll see this little triangle that's sticking up. Just fold it straight down like that. Now you're going to fold this corner of your model over to about there. And there you go, your Origami Fox is finished. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, check out some of my other origami videos, or go to paperfoldingfun.com for some cool origami tutorials. So, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!